Homeopathy Summit is essentially targeted for the benefit of the practitioners. The practitioners of homeopathy as well as the practitioners of the conventional medicine. Some challenges that homeopathic practitioners face in the practice is that homeopathy is often condemned and criticized as placebo therapy. And many times homeopaths do not have a proper solid answer to justify the science behind homeopathy. World Homeopathy Summit has several scientists coming from across the world and from India who will prove once and for all that homeopathy is not placebo. The impact of this finding itself will boost the self-confidence of the practitioners of homeopathy. This will change the language of homeopaths. It will change the way homeopaths are being looked at and how homeopaths look at homeopathy. That itself is a huge change that the summit is capable of bringing. Besides, it will also touch various clinical aspects and the advantages and the results of homeopathy in terms of clinical trials and various diseases such as cancer, HIV, atopic disorders, eczema, respiratory disorders, hemophilia, hepatitis C and many other diseases, leptospirosis and so on. So scientific studies which have proved efficacy of homeopathy for a range of diseases which I mentioned and even otherwise will be discussed by those scientists, and this will bring immense change in the perception of homeopathic practitioners. That's how summit will help them. How will it help the conventional doctors? Well, that is again an interesting story. Most of the homeopathic conferences, or rather all of them, are always targeted at homeopathic practitioners. However, this conference can also benefit the conventional doctors, so-called allopaths. And how? Well, some conventional doctors have wrong notions about homeopathy because they believe that homeopathy is not based on certain scientific principles. Well, this conference will show them that homeopathy is based on strong scientific principles and the results which it can give are reproducible in the framework of how science pursues the medical science, the treatment and the cure. So once allopathic doctors or the conventional doctors are exposed to the scientific developments in homeopathy, this will help open up their mindset. It will help them look at homeopathy broadly with an open mind, and that in turn will help them help their patients using homeopathy. Many of the patients are deprived of the benefits of homeopathy simply because their attending conventional doctor are unaware about the benefits of homeopathy. As a result, even in this age of international information technology, many patients are deprived of the benefits of homeopathy. Once the conventional doctors get to understand about the benefits of homeopathy, they will be able to suggest homeopathic treatment to their patients as and when required. So once the conventional doctors and the homeopathic doctors have better understanding about homeopathy, it will be possible at one point to integrate allopathic medicine as well as and the homeopathic medicines together, which will in turn help people at large.